Over the last year, a lot of my clients have found themselves in the kitchen more than normal. Whether you normally turn to takeout or you like to eat out in restaurants or have dinner parties, you maybe also have found that you're spending more time in your own kitchen trying to prepare your own meals for your own family. And so, if that's the case, I have a couple tips for you. If you find like it's getting a little bit mundane or the boredom of routine in your own meals, sometimes we turn to our favorites, right? And we just do those over and over again and don't get creative with new things. I think it's really important that we do start to get creative in the kitchen. We do start to get creative with our recipes so that it doesn't turn to that kind of boredom feeling in the kitchen. Getting a little bit of creative can keep it fun. So if you have cooking fatigue, if you've been getting bored in your own kitchen, if you're kind of tired of those same old meals that you always cook, then I have a couple tips for you. Nothing tricky, nothing that you can't handle, just a couple tips that might get you feeling a little bit more creative in the kitchen again. So I've put it together this week in a blog. And then at the bottom, I'm going to link you through to some new healthy recipes. If you haven't tried them yet, this will get the creative juices flowing and get you some other ideas as to what you can tackle in the kitchen. So head on into the blog and then sign up at the bottom to grab those free resources as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and I would love to hear from you. Have you been getting bored in the kitchen? Have you been enjoying cooking your own meals? Do you have any tips to add as to how to keep it a little bit more exciting to keep feeding yourself until we head back to the regular restaurant routine? Or maybe you're enjoying keeping it in the family, saving money, staying at home, cooking your own meals, having more control over the ingredients. I would love to hear where you're at with your kitchen. Talk to you soon. Let me know in the comments below.